Okay, everyone. One of the rules that you have to follow if you visit my house is don't tamper with my fire alarms. No tampering with my fire alarms. No tampering with fire alarms. That is a rule that you have to follow. If you tamper with my alarm, you are going to face serious consequences. So, do not tamper with my alarm if you visit my house, because it's not your alarm. You don't tamper with fire alarms anywhere. Even if you are going to someone's house and they have a fire alarm set up, you still don't tamper with that because are they your alarms? No, they're not. So don't tamper with them. It is worse if you are tampering with fire alarms in public buildings. In general, it is bad doing it unless you own the device. If it's your alarm and you own it, then you can. But if you are in someone's house with their alarms or in a public building, then you don't do it. It is not acceptable. If it's not your alarm, don't tamper with it. Bye.